Mnemonic Engine Ignition. Mnemonic Engine Ignition. A flash behind the forehead, white through crimson, crimson through gold, gold through violet. The orbit terminal warming, cooling, warming, cooling. Tiny rivers beneath the skin. Memory sectors online, memory sectors online. Associative lattice unlocked. The smell of rain on hot concrete. A bicycle bell somewhere beyond the river. The texture of wool against a winter cheek. The click of a kitchen clock in a house that no longer exists. A weight from above falling through the crown, through the spine, through the floor, through the orange soda, summer pavement, plastic dinosaurs, television snow, the sound of distant trains, the taste of copper, a torn photograph, a blue umbrella, a forgotten password, a hand releasing another hand. All at once, all at once, all at once. Who remembers? Who is remembered? Who remembers? Who is remembered? The engine turns, the engine turns, the engine turns through forgotten suns. Framboys, butterflies, afternoon curtains, hospital corridors, library dust, salt wind, broken satellites, schoolyard laughter, machine oil, perfume, cigarette smoke, sea water, jasmine tea, meteor showers, all connected, all connected, all connected somehow. Was it mine? Was it yours? Was it yesterday or 70 years ahead? Did it happen, or was it generated while searching for something